Ellington Boston is marketed as a boutique fashion store with personal brand story, stylish clothing collections, and a local Boston identity. But the real question is it actually local or is the branding doing most of the work? Now, to be fair, Ellington Boston appears to be a functioning e-commerce store with products, payment systems, and an active online presence. The question is not whether the store exists. The question is whether the Boston boutique image matches what shoppers may assume, what it does well. Professional-looking website. The store has a clean design and polished product presentation. Visually appealing clothing. The catalog focuses on casual and fashionable pieces that may appeal to shoppers looking for trendy styles. Where the concerns start appearing. The local identity may be difficult to verify. This is the biggest issue. There appears to be limited independent evidence showing a strong physical Boston presence or a long-established local business history. The marketing style raises questions. Many online fashion stores use emotional founder stories and local branding to build trust quickly. Large closing revival or major sale promotions can create urgency. These tactics are commonly seen across many newer online clothing stores. So, is Ellington Boston actually local? Short answer, possibly in branding, but there is limited public information confirming the kind of long-standing local boutique presence many shoppers might expect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.